So in brief, Philippe, we're learning to distinguish what is true, what is real, what is dhamma, such as seeing now, hearing now, thinking, touching, hardness that is touched, as opposed to that which is just imagined, computer, phone, person, picture. And what is real arises by different conditions and falls away instantly. Usually we go through life with the idea that I can control, I can change, I can make decisions, I can understand. But we learn that actually these different dhammas, these different realities arise by their particular conditions and fall away instantly. So if there are conditions for hearing, hearing arises. If sound impinges on ear sense, hearing can arise and experience the sound. But if there are no conditions for hearing, no hearing at this moment, I cannot make the hearing arise. I cannot stop the hearing from falling away. I cannot decide what to think about. I cannot understand. So learning about the different dhammas is the way to understand there is no I to be found, no control, even with regard to this very moment. No one can stop attachment arising. No one can stop confusion and doubt arising. No one chooses to be confused, but if there are conditions for confusion, there is confusion. So the point is that gradually, when understanding develops, there is more and more letting go of the idea of I can do something, I can change something, I can control life. Because actually what has arisen, like the seeing or the bodily experiencing, it's gone instantly. No one can make it anything different. So it's actually, as I was discussing with a friend this morning, it's like the letting go of a big burden, the big burden of I must do, I can change, I can control. So it's all an illusion. So the understanding is accepting what is conditioned. Yes, go ahead.
I don't control anything. That is
right.
That I can feel that I don't control what's happening in my life. That is for sure. Yeah.
When we just think about different fantasies and different ideas, going to the shop or the restaurant and choosing which restaurant, it seems there is an imaginary I that makes these decisions. But when we come to the meaning of life at this moment, thinking now, thinking about restaurant A or thinking about restaurant B, each moment of thinking is conditioned, not I that can choose to think this way or that way. Each moment of hearing is conditioned. So it's a relief, letting go of the idea that I should do something, I can follow a practice, or I should focus on an object. It's not the way that the Buddha taught, which is just about the natural development of understanding of the truth now. But as you'll have heard, it's quite deep and quite subtle.
Yeah.